Hello, people. Today we will talk about the weight loss supplement, and this is one of the best weight loss supplement. It is known as Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic. Okay, I have researched a lot. I have researched many websites, ClickBank, Amazon, and I have checked all the reviews. This product is coming one of the best product for weight loss. This is known as I said, Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic. And today I am going to review this product. Okay, after all the research, I found that this is one of the best. See, it is a powderly supplement that is effective for losing weight, and it's 100% natural formulation. It produces results without having to change your lifestyle or diet pattern. It's actually the ancient diet from Japan. Every scoop of this supplement is filled with herbs originating from Japan, and these have been tested for weight loss and also help in regulating blood pressure. Okay, the stored fat is targeted, thereby it also boosted your metabolism and bettering the speed of weight loss. Okay, so this is I would recommend you. Okay, if you are looking to lose weight, if you want to lose your weight, then Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic is one of the best. And I will tell you why do you need this? Why do you need Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic? Okay, see, it is based on a formula inspired by ancient Japan's Okinawa region. Okay, Okinawa is a place in Japan, and they've been inspired by that place. It's a known fact that Okinawa region did not have a single obese person in the entirety of the place. There was not a single obese person in Okinawa region. Their fit body and robust immune system resulted in the longest life expectancy in the region. Okay, you already know Japan people live more than any other people in the world. Okay, just because of this, it was observed that the ingredients they used in the daily meals were passed down to them by the ancestors and were the reason behind the fit and slim body. All right, so this is one of the best reason, and the ingredients which they have used will blow your mind. See, these are the ingredients of Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic. The genuine ingredients they have used: piperine. It is found mainly in black and long pepper and is known for its ability to burn fat in the body and eliminates fat storage. EGCG. This is a plant extract found in green and white tea. Okay, famous for reducing inflammation in the body, and it also prevents brain and heart disease. Hibiscus, the ingredient is beneficial for controlling blood sugar levels, helps in weight management, maintains liver health. Inulin, type of fiber found in many vegetables such as wheat, onions. So mulberry, aronia berry, memodica, charantia, acai berry. So these are the ingredients they have used for Okinawa product. So this is the best product I would recommend you if you want to lose weight, and you can only get this from this official website. You see what others are saying. See, I will show you the original website, and see, this is a very small video. I would recommend you to watch this video as well, and you will get to know what they are trying to say. Okay, see, one bottle will only cost you $89, and shipping will be free. If you are desperately want to lose your weight, then this would be the best product. All right, and the best part of it, it's a 100% money back guarantee. See, is backed by a 100% money back guarantee for 90 days from your original purchase. If you are not totally satisfied with this product or your experience in the first 90 days from your purchase, simply let us know. I mean, you can contact them and you will receive full refund. Okay, so you have nothing to lose. See what others are saying. The best part is feeling so confident. The change in my quality of life has been phenomenal. I was skeptical about it working at first, but thank God I tried. So this is the best product. I would recommend you again and again to lose your weight if you want to lose your weight. Okay, right now it is not loading the video, but you can check the video. I have put the video link in the description. Okay, so if you want to go for this Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic, go for it. This will be the best product if you want to lose weight. Genuine product, ancient product from Japan. I mean, they have used the ingredients from Japan. Their ancestor has passed the ingredients in it. Okay, so go for it. The official website, I have put the link in the description. Okay, I hope you find this very helpful. All right. Thank you very much. Have a great day ahead. Peace.